Are you recording again?
Yes.
You always record. This is our last recording
Kimmy.
as seniors.
Kimmy.
Looking at Kimmy do her work at school. That is Kimmy.
Kimmy's face.
And her nose. And she's texting. She's not doing her work. So, Asmin, how do you feel? Today is nacho day.
Today is not today.
And this will be our last nachos. That will come from school.
This is our last
Feel like crying?
nachos.
It is our nachos. Me and Asmin are gonna run when the bell rings.
We're gonna record the running.
We are gonna record the running like like that. And then we'll run to the nachos. And I'll get extra cheese.
I feel like you're so zoomed into my face.
Because I'm in front of you. We're looking at
Pancha.
Pancha. Where's Pancha? That is Pancha right there, doing her work, like always. I wonder if she's passing. So this is Mr. Eats Snacks, con la bola de grasa right there. Now, oh, look at me. How do you feel?
I feel good. No, I don't. Shut up.
That was so fake. How do you feel about that?
What? I didn't hear her.
Okay, how do you feel?
I feel good. I feel so good. You didn't do it.
Okay, you do it. How do you do it? Hey, Kimmy.
I'm not in a good mood.
Hey, Kimmy. How do you feel?
I do not feel well.
Oh, man.
I feel like shit.
Aren't you happy because you passed your presentation?
Yes, I got.
Then how do you feel?
I feel good. Oh wait, no. I feel like a fork in a garbage disposal.
I just remembered that.
We all do that.
What school was that?
I don't know. I wasn't there at that competition.
Oh, but yeah, I was retarded.
You did it, that's why. Who? Brittany?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Brenda. No,
It was the forks.
I
No.
did it in one competition.
That's right.
I don't know. But they did it in one of your videos.
Okay, we'll say bye to the camera. We will record when we run to the nachos.
We're gonna run to go get nachos for the very last time.
How do you feel about that?
I don't like nachos.